how to plant Dewandaru trees from seeds to fast fruit for beginners. Dewandaru, or commonly called Kereme ballada, has the scientific name Eugenia uflora. Other names Dewandaru are Seato, Azum siloque, or Sumi ballada, which is a fruit plant belonging to Brazilian family Armataceae. Dutch dwarf is an annual tree-shaped and medium-sized plant, between 2 and 5 meters high. The leaves are single, the base is tapered, the edges are flat, they are pinnate, are lined with wax, and are long in size. The young leaves are dark red. The flowers are milky yellow, and small in size. The fruit is ripe, dark red-black, and round and curvy. The seeds are small, hard and brown. Meanwhile, the roots are riding and brown. This Dewandaru plant is considered sacred and has magical powers that live on an island, the island of Karimun, Jepara, the province of Central Java, and is considered the fruit of the gods. According to myth, the Dewandaru tree is derived from the Suayamplaga stick, son of Suamuria, which was then planted in the land of the Karimun island and eventually grew into a tree which until now was given the name Dewandaru. The cultivation of Dewandaru plants can be done through seeding, grafting, or through stem cuttings. Well, this time we will discuss how to plant a Dewandaru tree from seeds. Here's how to plant Dewandaru trees from seeds to get fruitful quickly for the full beginners. 1. Dewandaru seed preparation. Peel Dewandaru seeds by squeezing them in a container filled with water until the seeds are clean without any flesh sticking to the surface of the Dewandaru seeds. After the seeds are cleaned, drain them further to dry Dewandaru seeds to the surface of the seed coat. This is done so that the growth power of the seeds is faster and maximum than that drying makes the seeds survive if stored for a relatively long time. After drying the Dewandaru seeds into a container filled with water that has been mixed with root stimulants in an appropriate dosage in the packaging of the root stimulant. This immersion can be done 1 to 3 days until you see the seeds experiencing growth or expansion. After the immersion process is complete, do the sorting of seeds that do not develop or decay, then the Dewandaru seeds are ready to be planted. 2. Preparation of place and media for planting Dewandaru. Mix the soil with manure with a ratio of 3 to 1 until evenly distributed. Try manure using goat manure because the quality of goat manure is better than cow dung. Before inserting the planting medium into a polybag, do the perforation on the bottom of the polybag. It aims to make the soil in a polybag have normal temperature and humidity with the aim that the circulation of water and air in the soil is not disturbed and regular. After the planting medium and polybag are ready, put the soil media into a polybag until it is full and press using your thumb or thumb. The thing that must be considered is that the density of the soil has a medium size, meaning it is not too dense or not too loose. After that, do the watering on the planting medium. 3. Dewandaru tree planting. If everything is ready, immediately do the planting. Make the surface of the soil in the bag with a depth of approximately 2 to 3 centimeters. Enter the Dewandaru seeds that are ready and then cover again with the planting medium. After all the seeds have been embedded in a polybag, do watering using rain drizzle. Next, place the seeds in a shady place or under a parrot net. Watering every day until it grows. After the seeds grow with complete and strong roots, the Dewandaru seedlings can already be moved to direct planting or larger polybags. That is our video that discusses how to grow Dewandaru trees from seeds so that they can bear fruit quickly. Hopefully the video that we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.